Now let me continue practice set 17, question number 3. Pradnya exercises regularly by walking along a circular path on a field. If she walks a distance of 3.825 km in 9 rounds of the path, how much does she walk in one round? Here Pradnya walks a distance in 9 rounds of the path is given. So you have to write first statement that Pradnya walks a distance in 9 rounds of the path is given 3.825 km. Here question is asked how much does she walk in one round. So second statement will be Pradnya walk a distance in one round of the path. When you are finding one round, one thing when you are finding division will come 3.825 divided by 9. Then you will get Pradnya walk a distance in one round of the path after dividing 3.825 by 9. So let me divide here. 3.825 divided by 9. 9 is the divisor. Now divisor 9 is greater than dividend here one digit. First digit. 9 is greater than 3. So it is not going. Take 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Decimal point is there. Put decimal point over here. 8, bring it down. 9 4s are 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2, bring it down. 9 2s are 18. Always remember that when you say the table, if the number is not going that table, last number which is small, take that. 22 minus 18, 4. 5, bring it down. 9 almost are 45. 5s are. So I am getting quotient 0.425. So if Pradnya walk a distance in one round of the path is 0.425 meter. A pharmaceutical manufacturer bought 0.25 quintal of Irada, a medicinal plant, for 9,500 rupees. What is the cost per quintal of Irada? Here in bracket is given 1 quintal is 100 kg. Okay. So you have to find cost of 1 quintal of Irada. Okay. Here cost of 0.25 quintal of Irada is given 9,500 rupees. So first statement you have to write that. Cost of 0.25 quintal of Irada is 9,500 rupees. You have to find cost of 1 quintal of Irada. Okay. 9,500 divided by 0.25 you have to do. Nine 9,500. You don't have denominator over here. Take it 1. Divide by. Write this number without decimal point. How many decimal place is there? 2 decimal place there. So denominator will be 100. So here it become 25. 9,500 upon 1. Division will turn into multiplication and this become reciprocal. 25 upon 100 become 100 upon 25. Now you can divide this 9,500 by 25. Say 25 table, how much is coming? If it is not going this number, last small which is coming, take that. 25 3s are 75. Because 25 4s is 100. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 7 is 2. This 0 bring it down. Second last. 25 8s are is going. 200. If you write 25 table here, will 25 8s are, it will go. So last 0 you have to bring down now. This one. 25 zeros are 0. So I am getting quotient 380. If you divide 9,500 by 25. So now do cancellation. 25 ones are 25, 380s are. After dividing quotient, what you got that. Now multiply this 380 into 100. How many zeros are there? Count it first. 3 zeros are there. This is simple multiplication I am teaching. 1, 2, 3. 38 ones are 38. So I am getting cost of 1 quintal of Irada is 38,000 rupees. If you like my maths teaching method, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.